Welcome back to CanAm Outlander ATV. First and foremost, I want to thank you all for your well wishes and comments from my accident you saw in my previous video. Between my truck accident and being on vacation nearly all of December, having surgery in January and I'm now rehabbing, it has been over 3 months of not riding. That unfortunately led to a faulty factory battery in my ATV. I tried to jumpstart it, but immediately once removing the jumper cables, it would sputter and the dashboard would signal a battery issue. And after having it on a charger for over 3 hours, it just wasn't working. My local motorsports dealer said an OEM replacement would be just under $200 out the door. I also did a quick online search for same-day pickup, and AutoZone has a Duralast for about $130. I don't know about you guys, but that price was a little too rich for my pockets. Another quick internet search, and I came across this battery at less than half the price with great reviews and ratings. I believe WEIZE is how you pronounce this battery brand, and it's a high-performance power sports battery. And I'm no expert, but as far as I can tell, they had identical or comparable specs. At the moment, I didn't think ahead of recording this review video, so I'm assuming you all know how to access the battery location and removing it. Now on my current setup, I had connectors for the ATV, my audio sound system, and LED RGB rock lights. Once I get these wires out of the way, it's a perfect size replacement to the factory battery. The new battery did come with new bolts and nuts. I did take off this washer, however, from the previous battery bolt. You always want to start by connecting the positive terminal. I will say, the bolts are a little on the short end, and it's a little tricky to screw the bolt into the nut on the battery terminal. What I did is hold the nut in place until the screw got a hold of it and then finish tightening. With the positive end out of the way, continue to the negative terminal. You may have noticed I did not connect the speaker ring terminals. If you watched my last video, you'd have seen that 2 of my speakers were broken off at the mounting brackets. So until those parts come in, I'll just tape off the connectors with electrical tape and keep them out of the way. Now it's time to put the battery fixation plate back in place. There are 3 hex flange screws that secure the plate. So I grabbed my torque wrench with 10mm socket and tightened the screws. If you're going to go an extended period of time without using your ATV, I highly recommend a battery maintainer similar to what I have here. This one also happens to be a flow charger as well, and they're relatively cheap. It comes with a set of alligator clamps and ring clamps. And it simply connects to the outlet charger portion where an LED light indicates whether the battery is charging or maintaining. Well, the last thing to do here is fire her up, and as expected, the ATV started right back up. If there's any future issues with the battery, I'll be sure to bring them up to your attention in a later video. This battery, however, does come with a 30 days return and a 1-year warranty. As for now, have fun, ride safe, and we'll catch you here on the next one at CanAm Outlander ATV.